Today we're making the ultimate brunch dessert. So creamy, rich, flavorful, it's super easy to make. That's right. Today we're making a strawberry ricotta cake. So creamy and delicious. Yes, please. For a full copy of today's recipe, check us out on Facebook at Poppy's Cucina, or just wait till the end of the video. It's going to be right there. So let's do this. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then, in a large bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of granulated sugar, along with the zest of 1 lemon. It's about a tablespoon. What you want to do is mix this together, just whisk it up for about a minute. And what that does, it releases the oils into the sugar to give you a much more consistent lemony flavor throughout the cake. So, you don't want to skip this step. All right, just mix it for a minute. Next up, you're going to add half a cup of softened, unsalted butter. I think I might have made it a little too soft. And now you're going to cream this together so you have a nice fluffy consistency. Then you're going to add 2 cups of whole milk ricotta, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of salt. So now you're going to whisk this together till it's all nice, smooth, and creamy. No lumps. Lumps bad. And then lastly, you're going to add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Now you're going to mix it till it's all nice, smooth, and creamy. Again, no lumps. Just like that, now we're ready for our baking pan. So here I have my 9-inch baking pan that I sprayed thoroughly with a non-stick cooking spray, added a sheet of parchment paper, sprayed that too, and lined it with some foil. Trust me, you want to line it with foil. Alright, so now we're going to get the batter into here and make sure you smooth out the top. Just like that, and now we're going to top it with our strawberries. You're going to need about 1 pound of sliced strawberries. I want to cut them about 1/4 inch thick. Ideally use fresh. If you only have frozen, use frozen, but make sure you thaw them out first. Alright, so we're going to arrange them on top. You can just throw them. But I like pretty. Just like that. You don't need the whole pound of strawberries. And now you have something to snack on. So now into the preheated 350 degree oven, it's going to go for about 1 hour and 15 minutes, maybe a few minutes less, maybe a few minutes more. Stick a toothpick in about the 1 hour mark. If it comes out completely wet, you know you have about 15-20 minutes to go. If it comes out kind of dryish, then you have only a couple minutes to go. All right, but into the oven it's gonna go. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, and it looks beautiful, and it's gonna taste amazing. So I just pulled this out of the oven. It took a smidge longer than I thought. It took about 95 minutes. So I was expecting it to take about 1.5 hours. But now comes the hard part. We're gonna let it sit in the pan for about 15 minutes. Then we're gonna pop it out, put it on a rack, and cool it for at least 2 to 4 hours. You don't really want this hot or warm. Like room temperature is fine, or even cold. But, it's going to be so hard to wait. It smells amazing. Yum. Buon appetito. So creamy. You get the vanilla. You get the lemon. It just melts in your tongue. You definitely get strawberries. Oh, it's delicious. It's so nice. Such a beautiful brunch time dessert. Your mom will love it. Mother's Day's coming. So if you guys do, let us know. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon.
If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Poppy's Cucina. Thanks!
I just love how it's just so creamy and cakey at the same time. I don't know how it happens, but it works. But anyway, what about that drink? You ready? I'm ready. Oh, yeah. Alrighty, so for today's strawberry surprise, what's the surprise? We're going to start with 1.5 ounces of coconut rum, 1 ounce of vodka, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, and then 1 ounce of strawberry daiquiri mix. We're gonna give this good shaky, and we pour. Let's see. Oh, look how nice that looks. Oh, it's gonna be delicious. Time to give it a try. Salute. You'll want to be on a beach somewhere drinking this. Let me tell you. No vodka burn, no rum burn, but you get the coconut, you get the strawberry, you get the pineapple. Oh, it's just so luscious and creamy and delicious. Oh, I love this. Good thing it's nice out. And, you know, this would be a nice little cocktail for Mother's Day brunch. Just saying. So you try this drink, let us know. If you tried that incredible strawberry ricotta cake, you will not be disappointed. Yes, it takes a long time in the oven. Yes, you have to wait a long time for it to cool, but it's so worth it. So worth it. Let us know that too. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon. Love you guys so much. Send me your suggestions and your questions. You know, we do have that Ask Poppy segment now. All right, love you guys. Mwah.